Hello everyone, today we're going to change dome light in Hyundai i10. As I haven't found any video on internet, so I decide to make, as I have problem right now with the dome light as you can see on your screen. So I'm gonna fix this for you, and please like my channel and subscribe it and share this video, and I will keep making more videos for you. So at the moment we're gonna try this. As you can see, this dome light is on button. This is not working at the moment. As you can see here, it's not working. So we're gonna make it work, and we're gonna see if we can fix it by bulb wise, or we can fix it by fuse wise. So you can see how we're gonna do. We need a screwdriver to open this one. We're gonna open this one from here. As you can see, you have place to open. This is one, and this is second one. Okay, we open this one. As you can see, we have a bulb inside. We're gonna take out this bulb very nicely outside. We're gonna off this first, and we're gonna do. Okay, we take out this bulb very first. As you can see, bulbs look okay. Yeah, you can see bulb is fine. So it means if there is no problem with bulb, normally you have to change bulb if your bulb fuse is not working. So we're gonna put this bulb back onto the position. Normally you always have a problem with bulb, but right now we don't have problem with bulb. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep this one off, and at the same time we're gonna check our fuse box, and this is easy to fix. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do, and at the same time yeah, we're gonna check now how this thing gonna work. So we have in Hyundai i10, we have fuse box on the bottom here. As you can see, this is the fuse box. We can easily open this one as from here, and we have a diagram here on the fuse box. So we have to find out which fuse we have to change exactly. So if you're gonna hold your lid like that, you can see room lamp LP on my thumb, 10 amperes. We have to check this one if this is missing or the fuse is not working anymore. Okay, so according to diagram, we're gonna see now. Okay, according to diagram, as you can see, there is a fuse box, very clear. So this diagram very clearly you can see is the problem. This yellow thing in there, you have 15 blue one you can see, and in diagram here you have 15A, and you have 10 ampere here. So it means we can see there jumper is the fuse is missing from there. So if you have fuse, you can take out, you can check if fuse is okay or not. If not, then you can change. Okay, right now I'm gonna take out that fuse in front of you. So make sure when you're holding this this yellow thing, you have to press from the sides in this direction, and it will come out. So we're gonna, yeah, it's like that. You just pushing this inside and it's coming out easily. As you can see, right now we don't have jumper here, the fuse. So we're gonna put the fuse, new one, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work or not. So this is here, and we have bought new fuses here, and we're gonna use, as you can see here, 10 ampere. This one we need, red one. So we're gonna take out that one from inside, and we're gonna put new one. Okay, this is the fuse we have, the one we need, and we're gonna put inside, and then we're gonna fix it. We're gonna see how it's gonna work. So make sure there is a clips here, the two yellow clips. We have to squeeze this together, and then we have to put this one inside from this direction. So as we put inside, you see the click is here. Now we're gonna put this back inside, and we're gonna see if lights are still working or not. Okay, this thing you have to do very carefully because this is very sensitive, and all fuse box you have here, and you can see easily in your diagram how this thing works. So we're gonna put this fuse box back again, same thing. Yeah, as you can see, I put that back, and you can see we have 10 amperes fuse there as well. Okay, so now we're gonna close this box. Yeah, we close this box. Yeah, and now we're gonna on car and we're gonna see if it's working or not. Okay, this is the light we have. As you can see, light is working straight away. So it means if you don't have problem with bulb, then you can check your fuse box. Subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.